Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and search for Control Panel and hit enter. You can change view by category or select category in this section. And go to Programs, one click, click on Default Programs, the green text, and click on Set Your Default Programs. Scroll down in this section and select Choose Default Apps File Type. One click in this text. And wait a moment. Scroll down and select .pdf format. Scroll down and down and down and down. Select PDF format. And one click in the app and change for Microsoft Edge, one click, and set your navigator or favorite web browser and click on close and click on close, and you can try open any PDF with double click or your right click, open with Edge. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.